Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with the new video how to set up and install your Google Nest Cam. Your Google Nest Cam can be installed inside or outside your home. In this video we will show you how to set it up. Everything you need to get the starting including in the box. You may also need a pencil, a Phillips screwdriver, a 2mm drill bit, a 6.5mm, a menstrual bit, a rubber mallet or hammer, and a ladder. Make sure that you have a Google account set it up and the Google Home app installed. Go to account google.com to set up an account. Then download the app Google Home app from Google Play or the Apple App Store. First you will set up your camera in the Google Home app, then you will install it. Add your Nest Cam to the Google Home app. When prompt, scan the QR code found on the front of your camera. Remove the QR code sticker and place it in the quick start guide. Saving it will make it easier to set up your camera again. If you misplace the QR code, you can still set up your camera. Just tap continue without scanning. Enter the setup code found on the bottom of your camera. Next, connect your power cord. Make sure that you are aligned the magnetic connector on the power cord, the connector at the bottom of the camera. You will feel it snap into a place. Then plug the other end into a socket. When the status light pulse is blue, it's ready to set up. Now follow the steps in the app to set up your camera. Make sure that your phone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that will be connected. Then select the location where you want to set up your camera. Now let's plan your installation. You have probably already picked a spot for your Nest Cam. Here are some things to consider. Choose a location with a good Wi-Fi connection. Test it by placing your camera in the area where you would like to install it. Make sure that the video is still streaming and the light on the camera is green. If the video stream is interrupted, try to move the camera to improve the connection. Sometimes a few centimeters can make a big difference. If you plan to use your camera in a weird mode, use the weatherproof cable. It's available in different lengths and can be used both indoors and outdoors. The weatherproof cable is sold separately. Go to store.google.com for details. Starting from the socket, plan the depth to connect the weatherproof cable to your camera. Make sure that you leave a little slack where the cables connect to the camera so that you can adjust the camera along once it's mounted. For outdoor installation, if you don't have any exterior socket or want to plug it in indoors, you may need to hire a professional to help with the installation. Now find the right height to mount your camera so that you can accept what you would like to see. If you plan to install your camera outside, place it 1.8 to 2 meters above the ground. Many of your camera's features will work best at this height. If mounting to a wood wire or a plaster, use the wall screws and wall plate included in the box. If you need to drill a pilot holes using a 2mm drill bit or menstrual bit, gently tap in the ankles with a rubber mallet or hammer. Then secure the wall plate over the wall plate to secure. Now attach the camera to the magnetic mount. Align the camera so that the status light is positioned at the top and the speaker is at the bottom. For weird installation, plug the weatherproof cables into the socket, then route the cable to the camera. Use the included cable clips, screws and wall anchors. If needed to secure the cable the wall, leave a little slack in the cable so that you can adjust the camera when it's connected. Then stand is sold as separate accessory. Visit store.google.com for more details. Connect the power cable to the stand and plug the other end in the socket. Fully charge it for the 5 watts. Then stated light will blink while charging and turn solid white when fully charged. You can see your camera's battery level in a number of places in the Google Home app when viewing the live video stream and from the battery screen in the camera setting. To learn more, visit Google.